Testing for reference equality in Python. Say I have a class in Python that has an EQ method defined for comparing attributes for equality. How can I then compare two instances of foo for reference equality, that is test if they are the same instance? If I do, I get true even though they are different objects.
That's the is operator.
F1 is F2 checks if two references are to the same object. Under the hood, this compares the results of id F1 equals at F2 using the id built-in function, which returns an integer that's guaranteed unique to the object, but only within the object's lifetime. Under Python, this integer happens to be the address of the object in memory, though the docs mention you should pretend you don't know that, since other implementation may have other methods of generating the id.
Use the is keyword. Some interesting things that are implementation dependent, I believe, but they are true in Python, with the is keyword is that none, true, and false are all singleton instances. So true is true will return true. Strings are also interned in Python, so hello world is hello world will return true. You should not rely on this in normal code.
She wanted to tell how sincere the body.